To be successful, you've got to make smart moves at the right time. We're seeing a shift with the technology that's available today, and now is the right time to make this type of an investment.
Principal LED has always been known for anticipating what's coming next, being able to solve a problem before the problem comes up.
Oftentimes, the most elegant innovations are sometimes the simplest ones.
Our customers kind of basically said, hey, we need a replacement for fluorescence. And that's what our original Quick Stick did in 2014.
You know, our tagline is we speak sign language. This is all we do. And we understand what our customers need. And it's not just around products, but we have a lot of other areas of innovation, either through our systems, our software, our support. As a kid, we're always taught to treat people better than you'd want to be treated. Everyone that works at this company cares. And we tend to align ourselves with customers who have that same mindset, have that same character.
We're a very relationship-driven industry. We want every Principal LED customer to feel like their family.
I feel like our customers feel a sense of that personal touch. They get that comes across through the people that we have that work for this company, and that on a daily basis talk to the customers.
We have the best team in the industry, hands down.
Innovation is never being satisfied with where we are at.
What we're doing right now is going to be huge, and that is onshoring of the new manufacturing process. What you're seeing behind us is a lot of automation, a lot of robotics.
It allows us to take raw LEDs, convert them to final product, but do it in more of a just-in-time manner. We'll be able to provide custom color temperatures, custom wire spacings.
We're the first to do that in our space, and nobody else has actually built modules and done that here in the U.S. Ultimately deliver a better quality, better performing system with better longevity and life expectancy. At the end of the day, we want to build the best quality out there, and what's behind me is going to do that.
It's quality, innovation, service.
It's simplifying the lives of our customers.
I think that's what drives us.
We're bringing back industry to the United States. I think that's a lot of pride in that. We'll see where we go from here.
You know, I do feel a sense of pride of what we've been able to build to this point, but also have a lot of excitement about what we're going to do in the future. In fact, I'm more excited today than I ever have been about the company.